All right, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 27th, 2021. This is going to be my Coinbase stock price prediction. I want to show you all, is this still a good investment? Well, it was early on, right? In the beginning of November. Price has shot exceedingly higher in Coinbase. And now we want to know, well, can we still expect the price to go up, or are we looking for the price to come back down? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I don't care about anything else. I don't care about fundamental analysis because you cannot quantify how much a company's earnings report is worth. And then I don't do technical indicators because it is a lagging indicator. It doesn't give us any competitive advantage amongst everyone else in the market. One thing that you all will realize is that everyone has an agenda when it comes to stocks, everyone. So if you pay attention and some of the influencers on social media continues to push one side of the market, i.e. they always tell you to come in and buy. Well, that's their agenda. Right? They want to persuade you to think that stocks always go up. And then you got the other side to where you really don't see people trying to tell you that stocks come down. This is where we are. We play both sides of the market. If the market looks strong, guess what? I'll tell you that I'm looking for the price to go up. If the market looks weak, guess what? I'll tell you that too, because I don't care about price and where it's trying to go, because you can make money either way. In today's time, the market has allowed us that flexibility to where we can go out and make money, whether stock goes up, whether stock goes down. So we don't have to be emotional when we see stocks go down. No, we just play that side of the market because obviously everyone else is trying to sell too, right? So if you guys want to learn more, tap in here, keep it locked in here, hit the like button, share, subscribe, tap the bell notification. Just pretty much do what everyone else on YouTube tells you to do. Do it right here because we definitely got things that we can give you all that will benefit you. All right, so check this out. Before I talk about Coinbase, if it's still a viable investment, let's talk about what happened on our last video. October the 17th, right? You guys can see that during that time, I was looking for the price in Coinbase to go up. It did. Look at it. Not hiding anything from you all, being fully transparent. I didn't talk about no fundamental analysis. I didn't talk about their earnings report. I didn't talk about anything but what people are trying to do with their money. That's it. So 9.47% profitability right there. Now you guys can obviously tell that price has exceeded our expectations. And once we saw that, you should have known not to let go of the profits right there around 305. At the very high, you had 30%, maybe 31. Right there. This is how you're able to win into the market. You have to be predictors, right? And you cannot be a predictor 5-10 years out. This is why so many people on YouTube try to give you 5-10 years. They want you to hold stocks for the next 10 years because it gives them a margin of error. So when the stock does go down 60%, they can say, well, I'm a long-term holder now. I'm telling you to hold it for the next 10 years. That's not a viable plan, is it? You're down 60% in less than a month. It's a lot of things that many people on YouTube don't understand how the market really works. All right, so let me get rid of it. Now, check this out. We're trying to answer the question, is Coinbase still a viable investment, right? Now, when I say investment, I'm trying to get you all to think about, can price still go up? And if so, how high? Okay. Now I got this one horizontal line right here. Okay. Pay attention because $290 to $280 is where we need to find the buyers. That is where they need to be in order for Coinbase to go up in the long term. Now, when I say long term, I'm saying the next month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. I'm not telling you the next 6 years. So we need to be focused in on 290 to 280. We definitely need to see that occur. Now we are in a downtrend. The downtrend started on November the 9th. So let me take this here because I want to show you all this too. Can you see that? The price in Coinbase has broken the trend. Right there. We broke it right there on November 22nd. The trend has been broken, right? So I'm not looking for Coinbase to go up right now just because of that reason alone. The market has decided to alter its trajectory. It's price movement. And when it does that, we follow suit. Now, we need to determine 290, 280. Is that going to be the spot for us to see the market in Coinbase hold support? Let's try to figure that out. So the trend is broken. This is the 2-day, right? So currently, this last 2-day price bar right here is telling us that there's still a little bit more selling going on to the market. Now I can actually see that market is trying to hold 300 in Coinbase. It's trying to do that now. So let's see how we ended out on the week to see if that's a logical thing that we can actually see happen. This is the weekly. Look at where we've gone in 1 week for Coinbase. Price was trading at what? A high of $335 and we closed at 303 last week. This tells me that there's still some weakness and selling involved into the market in Coinbase. So 290 is the first spot, 280 is the second location, and then 270 is the third. Those are the spots that I'm looking for Coinbase stock to go. Now, from a monthly perspective, this is even worse. Now we got 3 days and 5 hours left. And from a monthly perspective, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market come down to 250, given how wide this spread is, and seeing where the price is closing at right now. Now, unless in the next 3 days, price is able to overcome the selling, then be prepared for us to get some lower price movement in Coinbase. The only thing that would stop the price from going down is like what I already said. The buyers are currently trying to hold price at 300. Now, I think I'm pretty much done. It wasn't hard. It wasn't complicated. I didn't talk about a company's EBITDA. I didn't talk about their earnings per share. I didn't tell you about their future earning estimates for the next 5 years. No, I'm just simply showing you what the people are trying to do with the money right now. So let's look at this. All right. So I said 290 will have to be first. Okay. That's about 4% movement to the downside. We can eat off that. I mean, that's pretty good profits. Second area is 280. That's about 7.5%. Third area is 270. It's 11. Okay. 11%. Now, we need to figure out where is restriction then, right? As long as price doesn't trade above this number, we're going to continue to expect price to go down. Now, the first area I'm seeing is around 320. Second area is definitely around that 330. Let me see this on an hourly time frame real quick to see if we get a better idea. Okay. So I'm gonna put it around $337. Now, let me go ahead and switch this back over to the daily so you guys can actually see what is my prediction here. Now, I can see this. All right. So the only way that my prediction will go against me is to see price continue to hold $300. That's it. Price breaks $300 to the downside. Be prepared for us to hit 290, 280, 270. I'm already in position. I'm already expecting that to occur. The only thing that, like I said, will go against that prediction is us holding 300. And you got to act quickly, because if I still see strength and buyers coming in at 300, I need to cut this prediction and move on to the buy side, because the market is telling me, hey, the buyers are here. They're not at 290. They're not at 280 right now. They're still here at 300. And they're trying to push this price up higher in Coinbase. All right. So this is it. Now, I want you all to hit me up. Tell me what do you all think the price in Coinbase is going to go over the next 3 weeks during the month of December. Where are we headed? Just simply drop a comment in the comment section and tell me your price prediction. Don't necessarily have to follow what I'm saying or what I'm thinking. You have your own brain. Now just let everyone know what it is. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.